So, right, we'll proceed. I have only one night for this. Oh yes, I would like to have more, but I have only one night for this. Still, we'll proceed. Box of scraps. Significant scraps. Or rather, they're all I have. To prove a life. To prove one life and justify another. And if you're thinking, well, that's a tall order for a box of scraps, just you wait. They're not just scraps. An impressive presentation of lovely evidences. Hold on to your hats, gentlemen, bonnets, ladies. Hold on. Is this all there is? I don't know what more I can do. I put up signs, I did, on the poles. Impressive presentation. But as soon as I turn my back, they're plastered over with other signs. And mine were nicer and important. And tomorrow, I'll be gone. In no time at all, I'll be gone. Still, we'll proceed.